Hi everyone! Welcome back to Vozzy's Tutorial Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get Canva Pro for free. Just follow these steps. 1. Open any web browser and log into your Canva account or create a new one. 2. Search for Bingo Tingo. 3. Click on this website. 4. Scroll down until you find the blog titled Best Social Media Platforms. 5. Click on it and scroll down further. 6. Or wait for about a minute until a download option appears. 7. Click on Download, then click on Get Here. If you see a wait message, just try again after an hour. 8. You'll be redirected to the Canva website.
Congratulations! You have joined the Pro team and now have access to Canva Pro for free.